Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can use the private story option in Snapchat. For example, if you're posting a story on your account and you don't want that story to be viewed by the strangers or not even strangers but to some of your friends, you can do that. Open the Snapchat application. So, okay, this is the Snapchat application. You need to click on your profile, and under your profile you can see a option. This is under the latest updated app of Snapchat. So if you didn't see find this option, you need to update to the latest version of Snapchat and click on that and choose the friends for whom you want to. Okay, you need to choose among the friends for whom you want to share this story, and you can name it and you can click on save it. That, see here, Kiran's private story too. If I click on that, if I take a snap, don't allow and send. See here, my story is posted to only the selected friends in my list with this private story option. This will be under my profile. I'll again show you. In your profile there will be a private story option. If you click on that, you can add the friends for whom you want to share and then create a name and then click on that name and you can post the story for only for them. I hope you like this and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.